and welcome to VB6 Studies. In today's video, we're going to make a calculator. So let's get started. First, we're going to make a heading using a label box. This is label 1. I'm going to change the font of this label box. It's up to you. I chose century and I'm going to change its name as well. I'll say calculator. Calculator. Okay. And now I have to create 4 more label boxes. Okay, so now I'm going to change its name, first value, overview, and I'll apply borders to it as well. And then I'm going to change its font, century, bold, and 8. I'll change its size as well. I'll apply borders over here as well. Fix, this means a border is applied. Okay. In order to save time, I'm just going to copy it and then paste more samples. And then use the shortcut keys displayed on the laptop's keyboard. I'll click no because I do not want to create a control error. No. This is the second value. This is the third value, or you can say final value. And this label box will be kept empty because it will display the final value of label 4, which is this. Now I have to create 2 text boxes. Okay, I'm sorry. I created this little box to display the value of this value over here because text box can be edited by the programmer or any user, but whatever value comes in the label box, it cannot be changed. This is the icon for text box, this is the icon for command button, and this is the icon for our pointer, which I'm using right now, or you can say a cursor. This is text 1. I have to change its size. It will be kept empty. Okay. And now to change its font to century, and I'll keep it 18 bold, and then I'll copy it. So now I have to create command buttons for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and one command button for clear, which will clear all the values mentioned in the text box and label boxes. 1. Change it to entry. Sorry. Bold and greater than 18 and lesser than 20. 20 is fine. We can make it size bigger. This kind of size. This one. Now I'm going to change name. Okay, so I'll name it as addition. Okay. Now I'll copy it. Control C, Control V. No. Okay, this is subtraction. I'll change the name later. Control E. No. This is multiplication. It's up to you. I'm going to make it multiplication. And then division. And lastly, clear. Okay, this is more clear. I'm going to move it over here. This over here. Okay. I want my calculator to be small. Okay. This will be subtraction. Subtraction here and right. This over here. This bigger. Don't worry about it. Okay. Now I have to change its name to multiplication. This is division. And this is clear. Okay, we have now designed our calculator, but it's not completely made right now. I've designed the front look of it. To take a glimpse look, you can see over here, this is how your form will look when you will be running the program. And if you click over here, start and then end. I'll show you later. I want it in the middle, so I'm going to move it over. This form will only appear when you run your program. And done. And now I have to write the command button. Okay. This is text 1, this is text 2, and this is label 5. Okay, now I have to write down the command in the command button so that the program can run. Okay, I'm going to write the command label 5 dot caption equals to val. It is very important to write val because val converts numeric value into binary language which can be easily understood by the computer. Text 1 dot text bracket close plus val bracket open text 2 dot text and bracket close. This is our first command and close it. For subtraction, label 5 dot caption equals to well seen. The same command will be written, the sign will only be changed. This is the difference. Text also bigger value minus smaller value is done, not smaller from bigger. Right, close minus well text 1 dot text and close. Okay. Now for multiplication, label 5, again, caption equals to well text. Okay, this will be text. It's up to you. I'm going to write text right close multiply. This is a sign for multiply, which is written above 8. Well, text 1 dot text. For division, label 5 dot caption equals to well text 2 dot text. Close. This is the sign for division. Well, text 1 dot text. Okay. The last command button clear. Okay, this was command 3. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'll write both the command buttons for label box. But I'm sorry. Both the command button to clear any label box value or any value mentioned in text boxes. There are 2 commands usually. Okay, label 5 equals to inverted commas open and inverted comma close or text 1 dot text equals to clear. You can just write this, and the same thing goes for text 2 dot text equals to clear. Okay, now it's done. Okay, now I'm just going to make my calculator more neat. So I'm going to apply a background color, back color. This I'm going to click over here. I'm going to go button face is already clicked. I'm going to go to palette and change any color you like. It can be yellow, it can be, I like gray. It's dark gray, it's much better. Now this, yeah, okay, it's done. Now we're going to run our program. This is how the program actually looks like. I'm just going to enter, for example, any value can be entered. 12, and over here I'm going to write 70. Final value, add 82, subtract 58, multiply 840, division 5.8333, and clear. Done. That's all for today. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and subscribe if you liked my video. And that's all for today. Till then, goodbye.